Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning while loop, and today we are going to talk about one last concept in the while loop. It is again a variation of while where we will learn how to do the check or condition at the end, not in the beginning as usually we do it. Typically when we write, typically in the last class you have seen we learned about while and we learned what while true. While true was used to make sure that your code execute once. This variation is also very similar to what we call it while true. When we use while true, then you use a break statement to get out of the loop. In the case of do while, we are telling Java to do this part, execute the block at least once and then go and check the condition. And if condition is true, go back and repeat again. So when you want to when you want to perform and execute your code block at least once, then you want to use a do while. So you want to first use the word do, write line of statements here, as you can see, do, and then a block of code where we have two lines, and then you go and check the condition. Again, the while loop and the variation of while loops are easy to learn, but understanding and identifying the circumstances where you will, or problem statement where you will apply this while or do while is the key, and it will come only when you do practice. So go ahead and take the quiz, and at the end you have some tests to do more practice, because CodeMode is all about learning by practice. Go ahead and take the quiz and the test to hone your skill and master this. Thank you guys, and again I'll see you in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.